phosphorus cycle. So again, what are the uses of carbon here in living organisms? Majorly, they are present in the organic substances. What about this phosphorus? Why organisms need this phosphorus? Both plants and animals. If you take phosphorus is present in the structure of ATP. So ATP, you know, it is the prime energy source for both plants and animals. One use. And again, if you take animals, bones and teeth, it is formed by phosphorus. And apart from that, plasma membrane. So each and every cell which is covered by this plasma membrane, they are having phospholipids. They are having phospholipids. Okay, so for this also plants and animals need this phosphorus. So these are all the major role of phosphorus in living organisms. Okay, see, biological membranes, nucleic acids. Yeah, nucleic acids. You know, that is the phosphate is majorly playing the role in making the bonds between the nucleotides, 3' to 5' phosphodiester bond. Yeah, so again for energy transfer systems. Okay, and again, see, if you take like mollusk and some other animals, they used to make shells, bones, teeth with the phosphorus. Okay, so from where this phosphorus we are getting from rock. They are present as salts, phosphates. So weathering of rock automatically releases minute amount of phosphates and they are reaching the soil. And from soil, it is absorbed by the plants and they are using it. From plants, herbivores. From herbivores, primary consumers, secondary consumers. And again, when they die, both flora and fauna, after death, they will be decomposed by decomposers. Phosphate solubilizing bacteria are available in the soil. And again, they releases phosphorus to the soil again. So this is called as phosphorus cycle. See, first, for example, this is soil. So how the phosphorus is reaching the soil? One is from rocks. One is from rocks. Another one is from dead and decaying organisms. These are the two sources of phosphorus in soil. And how it is used? It is used first by the producers and then by consumers and then by decomposers. That's all. Easy. Yeah. See, here it is again shown here. So phosphorus from rocks. Rocks are the source of phosphorus. So it reaches water bodies or soil. Okay. And even this phosphorus again, which is reached to the water bodies, they form the underwater phosphate reserves. Later, they are becoming rocks. So this is happening in a cyclic manner. So from soil, the phosphate reserve, it is which is received from the rocks on the top of the soil by leaching process. They used to reach the bottom layers of the soil. From there, the plants absorb it. From plants to animals, and again, when they die, both plants and animals, the decomposers, again they release the free phosphates to the soil. So in this way, continuously it is happening.